here, looky here. Yeah, too good, too good. Make anything to turn it. Grab it there, like. See what I do? Yeah? If I fry the fish outside there, you smell up the whole house, you know? Turn you over there, turn you over there. Let me help you? Let me help you with that.
Really? With one hand?
Yeah. Missing a slip. Oh, that look good there already. You know when we fry this fish like this and people see it in the plate and they say, oh boy, baked fish, baked fish. But it's not baked fish, but it's deep fried. Yes. I'm getting hungry already, right? Alright, put it down. I like it, boy. Looking good already. Drop it in. Over here.
A little bit.
You ready? You ready? You ready? This two for me. I'm gonna move from there. You ready? You ready? You want more? You check the little one over there. Alright, you want to cook a little more? Yep. Oh, look.
Wow.
Run. Smell that. Smell it. Look. There we go. Making this special sauce for the fish there, boy. Special onion sauce.
A lot of onion.
Now turn up back the fire. That's not a lot of onion, it's 6 fish. That reduced just now. They get small. Boil it up a little bit. I want to see some brown marks on it.
Black pepper.
A little bit of black pepper. You know, put some pepper in there now. Some very pepper and some nice aroma, flavorful pepper. There you go. Maybe need turning now. Oh yeah.
Burn it.
Oh yeah. That's where I like it. Right there.
Turn it down.
Perfect. Once you add your juices in there, you're gonna slow down the fire a little bit. Or the heat. Squeeze one lemon in there. Oh, smell that, smell that. Mmm. Ah. Add a little bit more juice to it there. You don't have enough juice. Good. A little bit of vinegar. Not too much. A little more. Good. Good. Now we're gonna put some of the garlic salt in there. We're adding a little bit more salt because the fish is on the lower side of the salt. So you need a little bit more. Good. And now let's put that secret sauce in there. The secret. Add some secret in there. Damn, I don't know already. Not a secret anymore. Some nice sweet tamarind sauce. Oi, buddy.
Feel good with
Buddy.
that.
Stir it in there. Let me take a taste. Woo. So you don't want the onion to melt out. You just want to have nice soft onion, but it must still stay whole. You don't want it to break up. I want to taste that. I like it. Let's take it off. I don't want the sauce to dry out. Stick it down and pour it all over the fish. Get the right amount of flavors in it. So she pour in that thing there, buddy. Oh yeah. Yeah. And spread out that onion on the fish. Let it soak in. Spread them out. Make sure everybody gets some. You're looking good there, you know. What do you think? What do you think? You gotta let it soak now, you know. Let it soak. Don't want to eat it right away. Yeah. Want all that sauce to soak in that meat or that fish. Alright, we're gonna cover this up now and keep that heat and that steam in there and leave it to sit there for at least 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes, then we're gonna test some fire. I can try it out. That thing there, bye. Who hungry, bye? Alright. Here we go, bye. We gotta try this thing now. Let's try this thing. Try some of this rice here. Not bad. What is it? Dirty rice? Is it dirty rice?
No. It's black
Tastes like
beans.
dirty rice.
The black beans and rice. Come on.
What's this? Cabbage?
Steamed cabbage,
Ah,
carrots, corn.
the real thing there. Let me taste this onion there now. Look at that onion. They're very but digging pieces of fish, you know. Nice piece, flaky. I put that up there, like that. See that? It tastes so good, but it makes it sound like a cow. I get a little onion with that. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. Now you guys go ahead and try to make the same thing now. That's a good fish. If you see what I did and you will copy and you make it home, you will tell me back. You will tell me back. Alright? Like, leave me alone now. Let me go eat my fish now, man. Let me eat my food now, man.
Take a drink.
Let me go away now, man. Let me get some special lime water here too. Oh, God. Mmm. Ah. No, that complete the whole meal right there. Mm-hmm.